So these phrases, like I said, come from Chitlin's Con Carne off the Midnight Blue record. That whole record, this whole tune, and then that whole record is a great place to start if you're just getting into jazz. So if you're just getting into jazz to play jazz, or if you're just getting into jazz because you want to listen to it and you don't know where to start, Midnight Blue by Kenny Burrell is a great place to start. So here's the first phrase that's played over a C7 chord. Here's the second phrase that is played over a C7 chord. This third phrase is played over the F7 chord, but because it's a blues phrase, you can apply it just about anywhere. Here's the fourth phrase that's also over a C7. And here's the fifth and final phrase that's also over a C7. This particular album is great. It's got endless amounts of phrases that goes deeper into jazz if you want to develop that a little bit more, but there's tons of blues phrases in there.